All right, time now for the morning trade. We want to bring in Alan Nuckman, Chief Market Strategist of BullseyeOption.com. All right, let's set the kind of stage here, though. Give us your take on the markets right now.
Well, go markets. We've overextended a bit. I would like to see a bit of a pause, but everything remains strong, and we are holding, above this 5,000 level in the S&P and continue to make new highs across the board. The one laggard has been the Russell. So the Russell's been within a range here. If it breaks out to the range, makes this some new relative highs, that targets about an 8% move. I think the catalyst for the market could be a little bit of a downturn in the dollar. If we get below this 103 level, that could be the next catalyst and boost all stocks.
I like that. Go markets. You're taking us through a throwback there. Go gadget. All right, let's take a look at one individual play. You're trading Eversource Energy. Why is this on your radar?
Well, I trade what I see, and it's been a little bit more challenging, obviously, with a lot of stocks that have go and gone. That it's hard to chase. I'm not someone that's going to jump on a horse that's already lapped the field and taken off. And so I'm looking for stocks that maybe have been trading at a discount to where the market is. And so this stock is 40% off. It's 2022 top. It's trading about 59 right now. But if you look at it technically, for 5 years, we've traded within a range, a wide range, obviously, but we made a nice double bottom in the last 5 years. In the last 6 months, we've traded between 55 and 65. So that's very important that we've got this extreme bottom at 55 for the last 5 years anyways. 60 is an important pivot. If we can get above the 60 level, what I'm seeing is leveraged buying, leverage accumulation. That's a strong signal for me that somebody sees something. And I also saw bullish divergence, and the fact that when it made new lows, it did not make new highs, implied volatility. That's a sign of a sentiment shift in a stock.
All right, so you said that's a sign of a sentiment shift in the stock. If the sentiment shifts again, how would you trade it?
Well, what I'm looking for here is that I like this bottom base. I like this technical pattern. So I'm looking at a long-term option. I use a very, very basic stock substitution strategy. So I'm looking at buying the 55 call. The 55 call for July is trading for about 5 right now. It's only $50 more expensive than the April option. You're buying a significant amount of time in comparison. So this has 5 months, 55 calls, trading at about 5. It's got a nice high delta of 70. And if we just get to that range top at 65, this recent range top at 65, the breakout target 75, but the recent range top at 65, this option will gain 100%.
All right, Alan, I want to ask you just final thoughts on either Eversource Energy or kind of what you're seeing in the broader market landscape.
Everything's positive. It's not my job to try and pick the top, and that's been very dangerous for people for weeks now, going on months. So it's about having the rest of the stocks, 490 of the S&P stocks, have a lot more upside potential than the Mag 7. So, that's what I'm looking for. The laggers to play a little bit of catch up, and it's about risk reward. It's about positioning for success. And a July option has plenty of time for a stock that's trading at, significantly off its highs to make some recovery rally here.
All right. Well, I heard one of our colleagues earlier mention that old adage, the trend is your friend. So
you got it.
We're not going to fight against that. All right. Alan Nuckman, great perspective. BullseyeOption.com. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.